Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. It's Logan from Logan's Reactions, and sorry the lighting is bad. I am not finished moving yet, and I do not have all my lights and stuff yet. So, if you can see, I'm in a new house. Yeah, I'm in the new house, and I will not be doing that house tour thing because my house is just too big of a mess. My old house right now is too big of a mess for doing that, and I don't want to show you guys just a huge mess. Like literally. Like, that place is similar to a landfill right now. It's just a big mess. So, I will not be showing you guys, I'll probably show you some pictures of the house, like, once we get the mess all cleaned up, but, yeah, I'm not going to be showing any of my room or the rest of the house yet. I'm still waiting, because once we get everything unpacked and everything, I'll show you guys the rest of the house. But right now, I'm in my new room in my new house. There will be something on this wall behind me, trust me. Again, this is my first night ever being in this house, so, like, you know, like, actually sleeping in this house, so, because my bed's here now, so, this is already a 1 minute intro, so, I'm just going to go ahead and get to what I'm going to be reacting to. I'm going to be reacting to Angry Grandpa AXES air conditioner, and no, I will not be reacting to SMO movie Sunken, because one, I've already seen it, and two, when it came out, I didn't have the internet, because you know I'm moving and I literally got the internet hooked on today, so and yeah, and I already watched it, and if I were to, even if I didn't watch it and I were to react to it, it wouldn't really, I would just be wasting my time, because whenever I upload videos that have been out for like 2 days, like I only get like 15 views, so like I try to get everything over like 100, so I try to get out to you guys as fast as I can, just so you guys could be able to see my reaction and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and react to the video. This thing is long enough. Let's go on ahead. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, actually before I start the video, I just want to let you know I will be using OBS and another webcam, or another camera for face cam soon. I just gotta get all that working and stuff, because I've been getting a lot of comments about Bandicam. I won't be using it for long, guys. Don't worry. Alright, here we go.
For the past week, Dad's been talking about his house has been scorching hot and ridiculous, but it's not been.
Michael, get the man over here to fix my air conditioner.
He was there yet 2 days ago. He said,
Why did they call him back?
He said there was nothing wrong with it.
Call him back! They probably didn't put up the on
It's
it.
you, obviously.
How can it be me? It was freezing cold on the 4th of July.
Either you fix my air conditioner or I'll fix it. Like you do in the morning. You got till tomorrow morning to get this damn thing.
You gotta be kidding. It's fucking 8 o'clock at night.
The heater's got me.
You need to drink water.
The heater's got me! You better be there by 9. Better there by 9 o'clock.
I can't help you. I'll try.
I'll
9 o'clock? I would be awake to know.
What's going on?
It's hot here!
I know, it's not that hot in here. It feels good in here.
You're full of shit! It's gotta be 105 degrees. This bullshit, Charlie!
It's
Michael
fun.
promised me! I said if he didn't fix it, I would!
What do you got in mind?
I'll fix my own goddamn air conditioner. I don't need him goddamn fix it. It's bullshit.
Oh no.
I'll fix my own goddamn air conditioner.
Let me guess. Hammer.
Cool, man.
Probably because you haven't turned up the therm.
Cut off at the moment. It's fine in there.
If you want, go to the thermostat and turn it
I
down.
need to chill, Dad.
That's all you have to do.
Better back off. I'll fix the air conditioner.
I don't like where this is going, man.
Where's my tool? Dad.
Oh, God.
Oh God.
God. The AC is fine. The AC is fucking fine. It feels good in there. You just want to break something. You just want to break something. So, yeah, here.
What?
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Well, chat, I think there's gonna be. I think.
Fuckers. Oh, my God.
No.
It's leaking now.
Yeah, it's gonna leak something.
Oh, my God. Dad, stop. Oh, God.
Oh God.
Oh.
That's like a $1,000 air conditioner right there, just gone.
Oh my, okay.
There, I fixed it. There, now, see, the floor is going there now, look.
Yeah, on the
Yeah,
outside.
you fucked it up now. You know how much this is gonna cost?
No, Michael's gonna fix it.
Yeah, well,
Michael's gonna fix it.
If that was my air conditioner and he told me to fix my own air conditioner, I would be like, no, you're fixing it. Like,
I hope you're happy.
I wouldn't, you know,
God damn, you're gonna hurt.
if I was a dad, I wouldn't have my son fix it. I would be,
Fix the air conditioner, Michael.
well, one, I wouldn't even freaking break my air conditioner at all.
Because the guy is not here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna laugh when he shows up like 5 minutes from now.
Shut up. I just fixed the air conditioner.
That'd be funny, actually.
Well, you're gonna be hot as hell now. We're all
Michael,
gonna be fucking hot.
you better get somebody over here now. I think I need a little Freon.
Look what you did to this damn
I didn't do a damn thing.
AC. It is.
You didn't do a damn thing.
destroyed.
Let's see. Yeah, you did.
What?
Oh yeah, you totally didn't do anything.
What? Hey,
Oh shit. It's fine. Stop. Will you please stop?
I'm fixing my air conditioner.
Gotta be kidding
Call
me.
your goddamn brother and get his ass over here to fix the air conditioner. Right now.
Oh yeah, he's definitely gonna see this.
Turn that goddamn thing off. Wasn't nobody here at 8 o'clock like I told you.
Dad, I tried.
No, you didn't try.
Nobody was working.
Bridget, did I call last night or not?
Yes.
The guy
I
that was,
believe that like I believe, yeah.
the guy was gonna come be at your house Monday morning, bright and early.
Oh, good. By then I'll be done goddamn melted motherfucking.
Your air conditioning was fine. I was not.
It was not fun. It was over 100 degrees.
You leave me for it. You leave me no choice but put you up in a fucking hotel now.
Don't, just let him stay in his friggin' house. Alright, so I guess that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for more content, and I guess I'll see y'all later. Peace out.